Alright, so here's a Trane XR13 heat pump running. See it just fired up. I don't know if it's climate temp reciprocating or a line scroll. The start sounded like a reset, but it's the way it sounds right now, it's a scroll, I believe. Alright, so yeah, there's the little bushing valve. It's working really good. Yeah, I was saying, I don't know if it sounds like a Copeland reciprocating. I mean, either climate tough or scroll. Yeah. That train right there has a climate, Copeland reciprocating. Show you that real quick. Yeah, there it is. I've never got to see it starting up before. And here's that brand new Arcaware that I got started for back in April. Alright, so this unit has R22 refrigerant. It's an XR13 SEER 2.5 ton from May of 2007. Yeah, just thought I'd get a video of the unit starting up and running. I'm not gonna get a shutdown, but yeah. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you all on the next one.